Okay, for Grammar 102, if taking a look at the top, a complex sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause. So that's what we worked on last week as well. Independent clause can stand by itself. It can be a complete sentence. And a dependent clause cannot be a complete sentence. It's missing something. And then for this, we're going to use a comma after an introductory dependent clause. And introductory means it's at the beginning, right? It introduces it. So use the subordinating conjunction in the parentheses to combine the two clauses into one complex sentence, and then write the sentence on the line. So we'll just jump down to number 4. Okay, so you're looking, you have night approached, and it became harder to see. We have to combine this with as. So we need to look, would it make sense if we put it in the beginning, as night approached, it became harder to see, or in the middle, night approached as it became harder to see? Well, if you're taking a look at what it sounds like, our dependent clause is night approached because that's not a complete sentence. So we actually have to put our subordinate conjunction at the start of that. So it should read, as night approached, and then we need a comma because it's a dependent clause. It became harder to see. Remember, if you use the word in the parentheses at the beginning, you're going to need a comma because it's an introductory dependent clause. If it goes in the middle, you can write it without a comma. You can turn this one in online. It's assigned on your reading website. Or if it works best for you to just write these sentences out and take a picture of it, you can do that as well.